Good morning, it's Stephen with Waterproof Solutions. Angela, I'm here in spirit with you today. We tried to get together, but the roads are not quite letting us do that based on Mother Nature dumping on us. So what I want to talk to you today is about pumps. And pumps can run from pedestal type pumps to submersible pumps. You'll notice the floats are all different. The float has everything to do with how the pump's going to react. As the float goes up, the pump then discharges the water up and out. The discharge line should have a check valve on it. If the check valve allows the water to go one way and not back down, in the event that the check valve is installed improperly or stuck, this can also cause the pump to malfunction. So it's very, very vital that you test your pump from time to time. The barrel, the basin that it's in, holds a lot of water. So you're going to have to get a couple of 5-gallon buckets to actually make this happen, to where you can raise the water high enough to be able to make the pump work. Battery backup systems run in all kinds of shapes and sizes, like this little watchdog to this one that the little giant puts out. There's so many. What you have to remember about that is it's trickling to a marine battery. So you've got a battery being charged by power in the house, and then the battery will start to turn off once it's charged properly. So there's this constant draw of electricity to the battery backup system. Well, the battery backup system can get tired. That battery can actually get cooked over time, so you always want to test that. The other thing you need to realize too is the battery backup system can only work for so long. There comes a time when it starts to get hot and it will shut off. So you need to be aware of that, and when you're designing yourself, or you're going to put in play some kind of a battery backup system, you might think about having a Generac, which runs off propane as well as electric, as well as a battery. So you've got full range. You can also have your box rewired backwards at your electrical panel, to where you can plug into that. You can have a generator outside. Works pretty good. You can watch TV, and your fridge is still going. If you're really down and out, there's a little drill pump that's available. And you stick this in the end of a cordless drill, and do not run dry. Obviously, it's telling you because there's a propeller in there. But what you'll do is you stick this on your drill. You put a hose into the pit. You put the other hose out the window in the sewer. Preferably not the sewer, because the sewers are probably going to be overrun. So then, in the direction that that's going, you'll start to feed water out the window, or out to the drain via the pump. Now, a siphon hose works a lot the same way, where you can get a couple of hoses going with a siphon, but it's a slow process, but it's a process to go if you have nothing else. So, moral of the story today, 3rd horsepower pumps can only do so many gallons per hour. Half horsepower pumps can get up to 5,000, 5,500 gallons per hour. You start getting to these bigger pumps, and they start really causing big issues with discharge. So, best thing to do is consult somebody like myself. My name's Stephen Burton, president and owner of Waterproof Solutions Residential Services. Get a hold of your real estate agent like Angela, Josh. Get a hold of these folks. Ask them what to do. They'll direct you in the right way. But we just want to make sure we keep yourself safe and we keep you dry. Thanks.